Imagine a tree so impressive, so majestic, it's called the tree of life. The baobab tree, with its enormous trunk and sprawling branches, stands as a symbol of resilience and sustenance in the harsh African landscape. This isn't just a whimsical name. The baobab tree, native to Africa, truly lives up to its title. Its presence is a testament to nature's ingenuity, adapting to the environment and providing for the ecosystem around it. This giant of the savanna can live for thousands of years, providing shelter, food, and even water storage for both animals and humans. Its hollow trunk can store thousands of liters of water, a lifesaver during dry seasons. Among its many gifts is the baobab fruit, a nutrient-dense powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The fruit has a tangy flavor, often described as a mix between grapefruit, pear, and vanilla. For centuries, local communities have treasured baobab fruit for its health benefits. They use it in traditional remedies, believing it to boost immunity, improve digestion, and provide energy. Now, the rest of the world is catching on. Baobab is being hailed as a superfood, and its popularity is spreading far beyond Africa. Baobab, in various forms like powder and extract, is gaining popularity for its potential to boost health and well-being. People are adding it to smoothies, baking it into goods, and even using it in skincare products. But what exactly makes baobab so special? Its unique nutritional profile sets it apart. It's rich in vitamin C, fiber, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Let's delve into the nutritional profile of this remarkable fruit and explore the science behind its health claims. Studies have shown that baobab can help regulate blood sugar levels, support digestive health, and provide a natural source of energy. Its high antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress, promoting overall wellness. Truly, the baobab tree is a gift from nature, offering a bounty of benefits to those who embrace its wonders. Baobab fruit is bursting with nutrients essential for good health. This ancient superfruit, often referred to as the tree of life, has been cherished for centuries in Africa for its remarkable health benefits. Its unique nutritional profile makes it a valuable addition to any diet. This superfruit is naturally low in calories and fat, but packs a powerful punch when it comes to essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Incorporating baobab into your meals can be a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrient intake without adding extra calories. One of the most notable features of baobab is its impressive vitamin C content. In fact, baobab contains up to 6 times more vitamin C than oranges, making it an excellent choice for supporting your immune system and overall health. Just a small serving can provide a significant portion of your daily requirement. A single tablespoon of baobab powder can deliver nearly half of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C, making it an easy and convenient way to stay healthy. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, crucial for immune function, collagen production, and protecting cells from damage. It helps your body fight off infections, heal wounds, and maintain healthy skin, teeth, and bones. Beyond vitamin C, baobab is a good source of other essential nutrients, including vitamin B6, important for energy metabolism and brain function. This vitamin plays a key role in converting food into energy and is essential for the production of neurotransmitters, which regulate mood and cognitive function. Potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. Adequate potassium intake is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and preventing conditions such as hypertension. Iron, essential for red blood cell production and oxygen transport. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, causing fatigue and weakness. Including baobab in your diet can help ensure you get enough of this crucial mineral. Magnesium, involved in hundreds of bodily processes, including muscle and nerve function. This mineral is also important for maintaining a healthy heart rhythm, supporting a strong immune system, and keeping your bones strong. Calcium, crucial for strong bones and teeth. While dairy products are well-known sources of calcium, baobab offers a plant-based alternative that can help you meet your daily calcium needs. But what truly sets baobab apart is its exceptional fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and baobab provides both soluble and insoluble fiber, which work together to support gut health. Baobab fruit is incredibly rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, both of which are crucial for digestive health and overall well-being. Soluble fiber helps to slow digestion and regulate blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool and aids in regular bowel movements. This fiber content plays a significant role in many of Baobab's health benefits, as we'll explore further. From promoting a healthy gut microbiome to reducing the risk of chronic diseases, the fiber in Baobab is a key component of its nutritional power. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, particularly for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Baobab fruit shows promise as a natural aid in regulating blood sugar levels. How does it work? Remember the impressive fiber content we discussed earlier? The soluble fiber in Baobab acts like a sponge in your digestive system. It absorbs water and slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This in turn prevents rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Studies have shown that incorporating Baobab into the diet can help improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. This effect is particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Struggling with constant cravings and overeating? You're not alone. Baobab fruit might be your new best friend in this journey. The remarkable fiber content in Baobab plays a key role in appetite control and overall health. Soluble fiber, once it reaches your digestive system, forms a gel-like substance that aids digestion. This gel slows down digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, keeping you satisfied for longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. This makes Baobab a valuable tool for weight management and overall well-being. By promoting satiety and reducing overall calorie intake, Baobab can be a helpful addition to a balanced diet and exercise plan for those looking to manage their weight effectively. Fighting fire with fiber. Baobab's anti-inflammatory action. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat linked to various health problems like heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Baobab fruit, with its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, may hold the key to combating inflammation. The antioxidants in Baobab, including vitamin C and other polyphenols, help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to inflammation. Furthermore, the fiber content in Baobab plays a crucial role in promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for a robust immune system and keeping inflammation in check. A happy gut with Baobab, promoting digestive harmony. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. It affects everything from digestion and nutrient absorption to immunity and even mental health. Baobab fruit, with its prebiotic and fiber content, acts as a powerful ally for a happy and healthy gut. Prebiotics act as food for beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting their growth and activity. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and protecting against harmful pathogens. Moreover, the fiber in Baobab adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This can be particularly helpful for individuals struggling with digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. Incorporating Baobab. Easy ways to reap the benefits. Baobab, often referred to as the tree of life, is a superfood that has been cherished for centuries. Its nutrient-rich profile makes it a fantastic addition to any diet. Ready to experience the power of Baobab for yourself? This ancient fruit is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your health in numerous ways. From enhancing your immune system to improving digestion, Baobab is a powerhouse of benefits. This versatile fruit is surprisingly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, Baobab can seamlessly fit into your lifestyle. Its mild, tangy flavor complements a variety of dishes and beverages. Baobab fruit powder is the most common form available and can be effortlessly added to various foods and drinks. It's a convenient way to enjoy the benefits of this superfood without any hassle. Just a small amount can make a big difference. Here are a few simple ideas. Let's explore some easy and delicious ways to incorporate Baobab into your meals. Smoothie booster. Add a tablespoon or two to your morning smoothie for a nutritional boost. The powder blends well with fruits and vegetables, enhancing the flavor and nutritional value of your drink. Yogurt parfait. Sprinkle Baobab powder over yogurt and top with fruits and granola. This not only adds a tangy twist, but also enriches your parfait with essential nutrients. Baked goods. Incorporate Baobab powder into muffins, cookies, and other baked treats. The powder can be mixed into the batter, adding a subtle flavor and a nutritional punch to your favorite baked goods. Flavored water. Mix a teaspoon of Baobab powder with water for a refreshing and healthy beverage. This is a great way to stay hydrated while enjoying the benefits of Baobab. Salad dressings. Whisk Baobab powder into your favorite salad dressing for added flavor and nutrition. It can enhance the taste and provide an extra dose of vitamins and minerals to your salads. Experiment with different ways to enjoy Baobab and find what works best for you. From savory dishes to sweet treats, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to get creative and discover new recipes that incorporate this amazing superfood into your diet. Enjoy the journey of exploring Baobab and reaping its numerous health benefits. A note on Baobab and your health. While Baobab offers a plethora of potential health benefits, it's essential to remember that this information is for educational purposes only and not intended as medical advice. Always seek professional guidance. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, taking any medications, or have any underlying health conditions, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider before adding Baobab to your diet. This ensures your safety. While generally safe for consumption, Baobab may interact with certain medications or exacerbate specific health conditions. Be cautious. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and health status. Trust their expertise.